I look sweet, but don't get careless. Cut me wrong and I'll bite back with acid and spikes. Handle me right though and I'm the juiciest reward on this counter.
One bruise and everyone judges me. I ripen too fast, I know. Eat me today or regret it tomorrow.
You think I'm hard to open? That's protection, not attitude. Crack me once and I'm worth the effort.
I'm broccoli, working to support your lungs and breathing system. I like being eaten with lunch or dinner when your body's ready to recharge.
I bruise if you look at me wrong. Freshness is a race against time. Enjoy me now, I won't wait.
So in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to create talking objects like the ones you just watched. And you can actually use this to grow your social media pages. A lot of creators are making videos like this on Instagram, Facebook, and it's actually going viral. If this is your first time on my channel, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's go create. The first thing you need to do is come over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to click on this section where you see apps. Sorry, click on this section where you see apps, and you're going to come over to GPTs. Let's click on GPTs, and let's search for talking objects. Let's search for talking objects, and we can select anyone, but let's use this and say, give me talking objects scripts for parts of the body. So it's still asking me, okay, it's still asking me what part of the body would I prefer. So let me just copy this out. And let's just copy this. Then paste it here. Next thing I'm going to type is yes. Let me just click on yes. Because I want to have the description. I want to have the visual description. So here we have the production AI image and we have the video prompt too. I'm going to copy this and then copy this. Then come over to Grok or any AI generator you choose to use. Space this here. So I wouldn't want 9 by 16. Let's choose 16 by 9. Then click on enter. So let's also copy this. And copy this. Come over here and let me paste it. So now I'm pasting the 3D description and I'm also pasting the video prompts to paste this here. Let's copy this one for broccoli. Then come over here and paste it. Then paste this. Then click on enter. So let me pick another one. Let's use avocado. Copy this and copy this. Paste here. So this is the prompt for the avocado creation. And I'm going to click on enter. So let's see the other generations.
I'm Blueberry, here to support your brain and mental clarity. I love helping you feel sharp, especially when you have... I'm Blueberry, here to support your...
The scripts are longer than 8 seconds. That's why we are having that cut there.
Hi, I'm Olive Oil, and I help support your heart and circulation by keeping things flowing smoothly. I work best when you...
Nah, oils are long.
And I help support your heart and circulation by keeping things flowing smoothly. I work best when you...
So I'm going to edit that part out. Note, you need to work with the number, with the seconds your video generator is. This is 8 seconds. That's why I'm having that cut there.
I'm Broccoli, working to support your lungs and breathing system. I like being eaten with lunch or dinner when your body's ready to recharge.
Okay, this one is okay. And that's exactly how you can create this. Now let's try out this object talk. Let's use this. So there are many GPTs you could try it. There are a whole lot of them. So for this, I'm going to say, I need a script for fruits talking videos. Let's use this. So let's copy this. Now you see this one is having the image prompts for the character and is also having the scripts. Let's also copy and try this one out. Copy this. Come over to our video generator. Paste it. I like removing the dash. It's necessary because sometimes AI tends to add its own word there. You can enter. So let's see the one for avocado. This is it.
Hi, I'm Avocado, and I support your skin and natural glow by nourishing from the inside. I do my best work. Hi.
So it's also longer than 8 seconds. That's why we're having that code. So I'm just going to end at that part where it said by nourishing from the inside.
I'm Avocado, and I support your skin and natural glow by nourishing from the inside.
So I'm just going to cut out the remaining parts because it's longer than the script. So that's exactly how you can create it. At least you have the prompt. See, we have more here. More here. Let's also try this one for banana. I'm going to copy this. It's that easy. You just copy and paste. You don't have to stress yourself and generating the scripts yourself. So I know this is helpful to you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video. So I'm using Flow for this, but you can use any other generator of your choice. Now this one is for orange. Copy this and I'll paste it here. You can enter. So is this easy? Is this easy? You have the prompts already created for you. You just have to paste it yourself.
I don't keep doctors away by magic. It's fiber, vitamins, and consistency. Eat me regularly, not just when you feel guilty. I don't keep doctors away by magic.
I like this one because it fits into my 8-second video. Let's try this watermelon. Copy this and paste here. So you can begin a TikTok account on this. You can begin an Instagram account that focuses basically on fruit. And the reason why people love this is because it talks about health. And people actually love content that explores health topics. So this is actually a niche you shouldn't sleep on. Like I said, I'm using Flow for this, but you can try out any video generator of your choice. You can use this for that. You can use Sora, you can use Grok, you can use anyone. Let's play this.
Yesterday I was perfect. Today you ignore me. Tomorrow I'm banana bread. Choose wisely. Yesterday I was perfect. Today you ignore me. Banana bread. Choose wisely.
To download on
Yesterday I was perfect.
So to download on Flow, all you have to do is click on this arrow icon, then download as original size. If you want to upscale, you can do that, but there will be no need for me to upscale. Play.
You want vitamin C? I'm literally packed with it. Peel me. Don't Google supplements.
And that's exactly how you create videos like this. I'm sure this video was helpful. Click on the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to join my Telegram or WhatsApp group. I share updates and I also share the scripts I tend to use for my videos there too. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.